Here we have a hot contact test developed by DuPont to show how heat rapidly moves through an HPPE material versus a Kevlar material. So I have two 13 gauge gloves here. This is an HPPE glove on this side, a Kevlar based glove over here. Both have nitrile coatings on them. I have a surface here at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. This is typical of what a worker might see as a steam pipe temperature in a plant. As we come down and grab onto this hot surface, I want you to watch these displays and see how quickly that heat moves through the HPPE material. So it's around 90 degrees when you first start to experience a pain sensation. So you can see on the HPPE side, we've now passed the point at which we're experiencing pain. And you can see the temperature is still rapidly rising. Now as you approach 120 degrees, that's when you get in the danger zone of having a second-degree burn. So we're now at about 120. You've got a second-degree burn where you're wearing the HPPE glove. We've just crossed over past the pain point, so you can see the differential of how large it is, and you're rapidly approaching at about 135, you're going to experience a third-degree burn. So you can see with the HPPE glove, you're now at a third-degree burn territory. You felt pain over here, but you're still short of getting to a point of a burn injury. So the Kevlar is going to allow you the extra time you need to respond to this heat incident, get your hand away safely, or put your hot part down without burning yourself and without causing further injury.